Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 1 from November 2018, and this is question 13. So it says that Asmo, Ryan and Kim each played a game. It says that Asmo's score was 4 times what Ryan's score was, and Kim's score was half of what Asmo's score was. So we've got to write down a ratio of Asmo's score to Ryan's score to Kim's score. So in other words, we've got A to R to K. So if we look at the information here, we can see that if Asmo's score was 4 times what Ryan's score was, then we could make that 4 and we could make that 1. And then it says that Kim's score is half of what Asmo's score was. So since Asmo's score was 4, then half of that would be 2. And actually, that is it. We've done it. So we've completed the question. So I hope that has been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button below. Thanks for watching.